नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी लोगों का सोनू स्टडी क्लासेस यूट्यूब चैनल में। दोस्तों मैं आप लोगों को एनसीईआरटी बुक क्लास 9th इंग्लिश चैप्टर 5 द हैप्पी प्रिंस पर क्वेश्चन आंसर मैं आप लोगों को इस वीडियो में बताऊंगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, वाई डू द कंट्रीज कॉल द प्रिंस द हैप्पी प्रिंस? इज ही रियली हैप्पी? व्हाट डज ही सी ऑल अराउंड हिम? आंसर नंबर 1, द कंट्रीज called the prince the happy prince because he was always happy. When he was alive, he was unaware of what it is, where he lived in a place where grief was not allowed to enter. However, when he did and was made into a statue, he was not happy, and tears flowed down his ear on seeing poor state of his city and the people around. Question number 2. Why does the happy prince send a ruby for the seamstress? What does the solo do in the seamstress hours? Answer number 2. The happy prince sent a ruby for the seamstress as she was extremely merely poor and had nothing to feed her child, who was suffering from fever. The solo went to the seamstress hours after being convinced by the prince and kept the ruby on the table. He then flew around the bed and flapped the boy's forehead with his swing. This made the boy feel comfortable and he want to sleep. Question number 3. For whom does the prince send the sapphire and why? Answer number 3. The happy prince sent the sapphires for two people. The young bride across the city. The match girl. The young bride was typing to finish writing a play for the director of the theatre. It was too good to write, and there was no fire in the great hunger made him faint. He sent the sapphire so that he could sell it to the jewelries, but fair wood and finish his play. The happy prince then saw a little match girl whose matches had fallen in the gutter and got spoiled. The prince knew that her father would beat her if she did not bring home some money. When the slow slipped the jewel into the palm of the little girl, and she ran home happy and losing. Question number 4. What does the solo see when it flies over the city? Answer number 4. When the solo flew over the city, is it so the rich people making merry and the beggars sitting down the lane? It was a stark con- contrast of weather and poverty. It saw false faces of starving children on streets. It saw two boys being shouted at and denied of a sound sleep by the watchman and police patrolling. Question number 5. Why did the solo and leave the prince and go to Egypt? No, answer number 5. Since the prince had given away the two sapphire and his ear, he had become bleed. Therefore, the solo decided to stay with the prince always. The solo was so tortured by Prince gesture and kindness that he decided to stay back rather than flying to Egypt with his friends. Question number 6. What are the precious things mentioned in the story? Why are they precious? Answer number 6. The precious things mentioned in the story are the broken heart of the happy prince and the dead birds. They are precious because worth the happy prince and the Sulu were very kind hearted, generous, generous and selfless. The prince could not see the ugliness, misery, and suffering of the people in his city, and so gave away all his precious stones, stones, stones and gold to make his everyone happy. Similarly, the Sulu sacrificed his trip to Egypt and decided to stay with Prince as his messenger for carrying the precious stones and gold to the needy. That he why when gold asked on of the angel to bring him the two precious things in the garden. The eagle took the broken heart and the dead worth and gold, said that in his garden of paradise the little birds shall sing for evermore, and in the city of gold the happy prince shall praise God. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें और नेक्स्ट वीडियो के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.